Teejay, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you see what we are doing with this Dan back in the lab, you know? Yeah, man, gang, and today we're there with the up top boss. Yeah, man, I don't know. Teejay there. One name Can't Done. Check it out and see what dog there. I believe this is one of the album in Jap, EP in Jap, I Am Chippy. We haven't reacted to that album or project yet. Let me know if you haven't reacted to that. But yeah, man, the one name Can't Done, or I think it's single, I'm not sure. But yeah, man, the one name Can't Done, Jap I believe 2 days ago. Check it out, so up top boss at D with gang. Yeah, man, Teejay, bad artist. Yeah, you know, solidified himself, veteran of the game, all them good thing there. Check it out, so dog there. Teejay, Can't Done, let's get it, gang.
Yo, hear me now. Up on the pole, the girl deep like Dora, yeah.
Yeah, man, I wanna feel the girl, them, man. I wanna feel the girl, mama look nice, you know. Mama look nice, alright, go on.
Oh, no, my skate gun. I'm in town if it's space, man. Don't fuck with the alien. Get this a lick a nigga station. Jump in at the black piece and squeeze off 3. Then my one dog repeat why preacher G. I will turn up his scheme, money down on my jeans. I'm in dark, then clean, we have VIP. My money can't done.
Easy, hold on. I'm rocking with it, gang. You see me? The vibes and production behind this is crazy. Come on.
I'm in town if it's space, man. Don't fuck with the alien. Get this a lick a nigga station. Jump in at the black piece and squeeze off 3. Then my one dog repeat why preacher G. I will turn up his scheme, money down on my jeans. I'm in dark, then clean, we have
VIP. Boom. I'm like production partner wanna come in, get come.
My money can't done. My money can't done. And you know me for your shot till it can't done. A girl asks me, hey boy, I can't come. She see me like the beat and she wants some. The vibes have been.
This a vibe, right? That's our vibes. Yeah, man. Me like the style with that compound one. The beat, yeah, the beat and production behind this is crazy. I'm like her dog sliding on the track. Come here.
No, calm down. She get cheap, you know why she want them. Them have to remember me. Me skip the beam up on the tour, we got the M package. You see UTC got money in a them pocket. And get like all before I say I me them one of them catches. We left dead bodies pile up on the ground in time me exercise the extra clip. Extraterrestrialist like my brain no in a them college. I learn them want to learn me. I go give the pussy them knowledge.
Easy, boy. Easy. Yeah, man. Easy. Yeah, that's how Teejay. Yeah, man. Tune play.
Them have to remember me. Me skip the beam up on the tour.
The M package. Come here, no?
You see UTC got money in a them pocket. And get like all before I say I me them one of them catches.
Come here, man. Talk to you. Come here.
We left dead bodies pile up on the ground in time me exercise the extra. Extraterrestrialist like my brain no in a them college. I learn them want to learn me. I go give the pussy them knowledge. You can't done.
No, vibes can't done. You see me, vibes can't done. You see me, blood cleat. Energy, you see me, we just a star.
You know me for your shot till you can't done.
Money can't done. Come here.
A girl asks me, boy, I can't come. She see me like the weed and she wants some. When the vibes have been on the calm now.
Come here now, man, hey.
She get tips, no one she want.
This is crazy. Realist song, club song. You see me? Yeah, man. Teejay, punch up.
Money can't done. Money can't done. Ain't no me fire shot till it can't done. I want Star Plus. Yeah, UTC all the time.
Come in, man. bad tune, TJ on the track, up top boss on them. And tell you, man, don't play the up top boss, you know. Yeah, man, TJ know if make bangers, man. You see me, TJ is a hit maker for sure. You see me, definitely this track on this one. It's a Bal Harbour Riddim. Riddim a bad, man. You see me, and say, I don't know. Who else don't know upon the Riddim again? Let me know who else don't know upon the Riddim and let me know if you want me to do a reaction. Riddim a band. TJ still on this shit. You know done. You see me, it's a vibes tune. Bad man, galleys, go get our money type shit. You see me, I say definitely a playlist track. Up top boss, you did your damn thing, gang. No jokes. Yeah man, big tune, people. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about one day. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support me. You know, say them dancing. You see me, don't know. Code is life, do the right thing. If you watch it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe button. You know you did this far in the video and you like and subscribe. Clearly, you like the content. You see me? Yeah man, and if you definitely drop your request, you know you're gonna get the shout out. Yeah man, if you like your show the artist some love and support, make you know say that Jambisco dancing. You don't know vibes there. We there, man. Watching our go on. We there, look out, dancer. We there for the culture. You see me? Yeah, man. Enjoying the music and reacting and talking about it. So let's get a dialogue going in the comment section. I appreciate y'all and the engagement y'all been liking and commenting. I appreciate all y'all. We going strong, gang. Yeah, we grinding. We not stop. You see me? We gonna drop videos like crazy. We not stop. We on the grind for sure. We locked in. You see me? But yeah, man. Till next time, gang. You don't know. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.